We all have a junk drawer, a junk wardrobe, a junk space. We all have somewhere where we just throw away our belongings, we don't think about it, and we let it pile up, and then we see it one day and we're like, where are these things from? Like, how did this happen? How did it get to this point? And I didn't even realize it. Because if you're just putting in one item at a time, you slide something in a drawer and then you close it and you don't really check to see what else is inside, you're gonna soon realize that you have a little bit of a problem. And that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna tackle this problem. Any person, I believe, has some sort of secret space where they know they can put things away nicely or not, and it's not visible. For me, this is the space. Our bedroom has this sort of nook around the corner that is not visible from the doorway, so you don't actually know that there's something behind here. And I tend to put everything in here, and it's gotten a little bit messy, and I also want to do some changes, so I was thinking, why not do them with you? So what I'll do today is I'll declutter these. I think there's gonna be a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be throwing away from here, as well as some other smaller junk drawers and places in my bedroom. So today we're gonna focus on the decluttering, and I'm gonna start with this because we came back from holiday, and if you haven't seen my holiday vlogs, I have a whole playlist. We've been to Croatia and we've done a lot of beautiful things there, and I've also done a series before I left. But we came back and I basically just put the trolley in here, not tucked it up like away anywhere else, just put it here. So my plan is to put it under everything else while that's all cleaned up, but for now I'm just gonna get it out of the way. Then I have a bunch of boxes and items that are in boxes. First of all, I have two of the same keyboard and mouse sets because I ordered one and it arrived broken, and then the seller from Amazon sent me another one and I put both in there. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna sell this one. It is broken, but I think it's fixable. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm gonna put it on Facebook Marketplace for free. If anyone wants it, I'll give it to them because the mouse works and the mouse is pretty cool. But that's what I'll be doing. Or no, the mouse doesn't work. It's only the keyboard that works. But anyways, I'll do that. And then with this one, I might keep it, but put it somewhere else, or keep it in there, but in a different way. This box is very interesting. This box is a box that I received my work laptop in. Now, do I need to keep this box? Or eventually, if I leave the company, which I'm not planning to do, I can just provide my own box or find a box. But then again, this is the box from the laptop, so I'm thinking I might keep it. I don't have my JBL Charge 5 box, which again, do I need it? Actually, I don't think I do. So this one is gonna be in the throwaway pile. I'm gonna keep the warranty and stuff, but I don't need the box. Last in my box pile, I have a, how is it called? How is this called? G6 Max. A stabilizer that I got when I got into YouTube, and I thought I'll use it for all these cool shots. And I might, but I've had it for 2 years and I haven't used it even one time. So I'm gonna put it up for sale. I'm not gonna throw it away, obviously, because it's quite expensive. And I'll see if anyone is interested. Simba is also here to join us. Hey! Hey, you wanna say hello? You wanna say hi? Or no? No. Oh, you're gonna stay here? You might get scared because I'm gonna make a lot of noise, but okay, you can sit in my lap if you want. Cool, so in this new format, we're gonna continue. I have a lot of books from uni mostly. When I say a lot, there are too many. I've got these two Mrs. Hinch books that I did not read. I had a moment when I was crazy with Mrs. Hinch and I thought, I'm gonna read them all the time. Guess what? I didn't, so I'm gonna donate this. Then I have two notebooks from uni, which I might keep. Maybe not this one, because this is pretty much empty. Yeah, I'm gonna throw away this one. But I'm gonna keep this one because it's one of my favorite books. Like, it was just organized, my favorite notebooks. I have so many lovely like memories and information in it. And yes, I'll probably never use the actual information in the notebook, but it's just, this is a memory, so I'm gonna keep this one. Then I have a lot of like university books. So I have this one on grammar, this one on public relations, history in Britain. What else is in here? How to have great ideas, power of persuasion, hidden persuasion, and brainwash. I will donate these. And I will keep these two because I think they're pretty cool, so I'll only keep two. So we have a lot of clothes, and these are not actually my clothes. I think about 5-10% of these are actually clothes that I'm using. The rest are clothes that I got from Vinted, usually in a bundle, with the intention of selling them. There's clothes in this box, there's clothes in there, there's some other clothes in here. This brown box is actually some of Simba's food that we have to go through. I think it's dry food in there, but I'll take it out because we're almost done with the rest. And then I have my printer here. This is for sale as well, some paper and stuff. And here I have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So my idea was to actually bring this over to my office, over to my desk, and put plants on it, and then have my printer at the bottom, just sort of do it like that. But I think because there's quite a bit of stuff on it at the moment, I'm gonna leave it here for a while until we get rid of that food, and then I'm gonna do what I was planning to do. So now we're just gonna declutter this. Because this is where I have some of my clothes, and you can already see I've had some piles on the bed ready to go. But what I wanted to do is just pull out a few things that I know I'm not gonna wear and I want to sell or donate. So I know this might not be the best solution, but what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna give away some of the summer things that I'm not gonna wear anymore and make space for next year. I don't love them, so it's not like I'm losing a lot. So I think I'm gonna be selling this dress, maybe this dress, actually no, not this dress. I'm definitely gonna be selling this dress and this dress because I love this dress, but it's so princessy and there's so little opportunity for me to wear it, and then I feel like I'm super overdressed. I'm gonna keep it there and sell it. And probably this one as well, just because I haven't worn it all season. Right, now it looks much better. And now I'm gonna start pulling together some of the miscellaneous things around the house that I know that I need to declutter, but don't have like a specific junk drawer. They're just a little bit everywhere, all over the place. So I'll bring them all here and then we can discuss how many we had at the end. And here's the result. I'll put the number on the screen so you know exactly how many things I've decluttered. This actually I'm keeping, so let's put them aside. But we have 3 piles: the sale pile, the donation pile, and the throwaway pile. In the throwaway pile, the laptop is not included, I've just finished work, so that's there. But in the throwaway pile, I've got old nail polishes, old candles that are not working anymore, old CDs. These are my partners, so I'm gonna ask him if I can declutter these. Old notebooks. This is super dried flowers that needs to be thrown away. These are some essential oils that are probably expired, and then another expired product. In the donation pile, it's mostly books, and then a few iPhone cases and stuff like that. And then in the sale piles are the clothes that I showed you earlier, a pair of boots that I think I'm gonna declutter as well, and some bags. These I'm keeping, but these two I am selling on Vinted. And then the keyboard and sort of a pillow for a desk chair, but it's a very odd shape, so I'm gonna give it away. And that's about it. I counted 47 things in total, but of course I couldn't leave it at 47, so I found 3 more things. You can always find more if you look a little bit deeper. And I haven't even looked under the bed or in any other like even more hidden places, but I have 50 things in here. There are 50 items that I'm gonna be getting rid of and decluttering from my life from here. And this was just by looking at my house roughly and like doing a quick sweep of every place that I normally just know that, you know, when you look at something and you know it looks like that, but it's not intentional. Like you have an object somewhere that it's been there forever, and it's just the way it is, but it's not intentional. Like I had the plant with the dried flowers. I knew it was in that corner, but do I like it in that corner? Probably not. So why keep it? Same with the candles. What's the point of keeping the candles if they're not burning anymore? And so this is how I decluttered 50 things. And I am sure that you can also find 50 things to declutter in your house right now just by doing a quick sweep. And if you don't, you either are struggling a little bit more with decluttering, which is fine, we all have to take it easy and start from somewhere, or you actually don't have that many things to declutter, which is amazing, and I really appreciate that. But that's gonna be today's video. Now I have to take some time and take pictures of this pile so that I can list it online and get rid of it as soon as possible. And this is how the corner looks like. It's still messy because that's clothes that I need to sell, that's clothes that I need to sell, that's clothes that I need to sell, that's Simba's food. So it's gonna get better, but it still looks more organized than before. And I'll leave you with that. Sorry for the screeching of my floor, but that's how this sort of wood is. And I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!